poppin' YouTube? It's Adrian Reese. You guys do not know me because this is going to be my first ever YouTube video. So don't be worried about who's this girl, who did I... Y'all don't know me, okay? But what I will say is that I hope that this channel grows and we become family and all that stuff, you know. But I'm going to try and be very, very detailed with you guys. Keep it honest, be honest, transparent, real. I'm gonna just tell y'all what's going on, okay? So the jingling y'all hear in the background, that's my puppy Makita, and y'all will learn a lot about her. But what I will say, this video is going to be about me going on a restoration trip for a full week. And yeah, I'm just recording my process. This is just for fun and just so that we can, you know, grow as a family. So I'm going to tell you guys is that I'm gonna let y'all in on a little stuff, like a little bit of tea or whatever y'all want to call it. But so my name's Adrian Reese, and I am going to be going to the illustrious Tennessee State University. I'm 18, and yeah, I'm starting a YouTube channel so that I will be able to, like, y'all, I don't have none of this stuff packed. It's weird talking to a camera or talking to nobody. It's literally just me by myself. My sisters, my other two sisters, Ariana and Alyssa, they will be coming with me on the trip. And I really wasn't supposed to be a part of it, but somehow, some way, God's plan, I ended up getting picked to go on a trip because somebody else did not want to go on a trip. So yeah, okay, so I am a believer of faith, so if y'all be over here talking about the devil is did it, get off my channel, go somewhere else. We don't do the negative stuff over there. Yeah, it's literally hot because I don't have my air conditioner on in my room, but it's okay, y'all, it's okay. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing, because I'm gonna be going away for a full week. And I'm going to Jackson, Mississippi. Something simple, whatever the case may be, but it's just like a little vlog or whatever, taking y'all along with me on this ride. I hope that you guys stay and enjoy the journey. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what I should, I guess, upload or do next or whatever the case may be. I don't know what YouTubers be doing, but comment, let me know what I should do. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can get notified every time I drop another video. I'll be seeing them YouTubers say this, so that's why I'm gonna say it too, I guess. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. This is what I'm using. So I guess I'm gonna start off with my clothes and stuff, get all this stuff inside so I already know what I have. So right here, okay, you guys, tomorrow on the 26th, I have to join a Zoom to receive a C.L. Radcliffe Scholarship Award. So I got a chance to do that. So, okay. And I have to join that tomorrow around 3 p.m. Hopefully we, you know, get there in time so that I'll be able to do it. Just trying to stuff my bag and make it close. Going looking like this with my afro, my little natural afro. I'm actually finna go do my hair, and I'm finna go do my nails, do my toenails, all this stuff, make my stuff look a little bit more presentable. What's up, you guys? Okay, so this is day 2. This is the next morning or whatever, but I got all my essentials in there. I also have my blankets, and then I also have, of course, you guys, what I'm taking with me as far as you guys, so you guys can know. I don't want to show my address or nothing. But I got my suitcase with me, and then I also have, of course, my other backpack. So yeah, you guys, that's all I got for right now. So stay tuned. We are at the hotel, the first stop, and then tomorrow we're going to be going to Piney Woods School, where we'll be living in the dorms there. Just spending the rest of the week getting to know each other, being open, transparent, people who, you know, are the other scholars. So right now I am just about to change and do all this stuff, make sure that I am, y'all, but look, this hotel, that's the glass. I don't know if y'all can see because of the lighting, but it's a walk-in shower. They got the little soaps right there, and then they got this mirror, all that stuff. They got this cute little sink. They got the soaps, towels, all that stuff. They got the little towels. Y'all, this the hotel room. They got this body mirror. Yes, I'm recording my phone, so y'all don't talk about me. Then they got the little coffee stuff. We gotta wake up at 7. Really try to wake up at 5 or 6 in the morning so that we could already be up and having everything together. I'm sleeping on this side by the door. Ariana's gonna be on this side. They got this TV up here. Y'all, tomorrow is going to be the day that we're actually going to be traveling to Piney Woods School. So yeah.
Boy, if you don't get...
Alright, you guys. Is there a problem? Okay, I didn't think so. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're doing. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, what's up, you guys? Today is day 1, literally Monday, of the retreat. Breakfast starts at 7:15. It's 6:26. I'm finna run over there and wake my little sister up because I don't want her to miss breakfast either. But right now I got all my stuff. I'm finna get ready. You know, all this stuff. So it's about like 6:30 right now. So I brushed my teeth, did my hair. I really need to wash my face. Yeah, it only takes some water and, you know, a towel. But I'm gonna get to you guys when I get to breakfast. I'll see y'all then. Hey you guys, we're getting ready to go down to the breakfast area because it's currently 6:58. This is the time that is showing right here, 6:58. And we also just wanted to leave this. I know it's not much, y'all. I know it's not much. But it's just the thought that counts. Thank you, Weston Inns, for letting us stay here in the room with you guys. You know, love you. And we appreciate you.
I don't even know what that is. Sausage, egg, and cheese.
guys, so this is the dorms that we're gonna be sleeping in. Apparently, so this bed is for no one. That bed right there is for no one. That over there, Ariana chose that bed, and then this over here is my little small area. So they gave us a towel, a washcloth, which I'm glad they did because I accidentally forgot to bring mine. I got my oranges. They gave us a fan, so I'm happy about that. So that's my stuff, and these are the dorm cabinets. You got, they got this mirror right here. Yeah, Aiden's over here. And then and then I got my cover just in case I want this one. I got this one. I'm putting my stuff up in here. All my stuff can already be in this dorm, and they do have these little cupboards or whatever, but I don't think I'm gonna use those or whatever. But yeah, that's really it. And this is giving me very much how I'm gonna be in college, so yes, I'm excited. These are our dorms. She'll be recording hers or whatever. But yeah, this is kind of it. Girl, just broke the door. You go to that one, girl. Y'all, they gave us 2 pair of Vans. Okay, let me tell y'all what happened. So today us do orientation. We went walking, a lot of walking, and then after we did the walking, then we had went horseback riding. After we did horseback riding, we were eating in the dining hall. We're staying in Hyde Humphrey. Okay, we're staying in Hyde Humphrey Hall, and what we're gonna do is we went to the orientation and everything like that. Look at this. Anyway, they gave us a t-shirt, a sweater. We did a bunch of activities, icebreakers, all that. And then we got some Vans, y'all. They went out. They got us some Vans. Hold on. Open it. These doors. Yeah, I'm sorry because the light is not reflecting. We're going into our dorms now, so I can put all this stuff up and get situated. Y'all, right now we're in the dorms, but this morning, hold on, I'm trying to, y'all, okay, let me stay still. This morning we went walking, a lot of walking. We did orientation, then we went horseback riding. After we went horseback riding, came back and we went and we ate in the dining hall. After we did the dining hall, we came back into our room. We rested a little bit, or whatever the case may be. And then we had went to the library so we can do little group activities, icebreakers, all that fun stuff. And now we're back in the dorms. They did give us, well, they gave poured back into us. They gave us these nice hoodies. I got my extra large because this only size the head. Plus, I like my stuff baggy on me anyway. But this is what it's looking like, y'all. It looks on with the light. I'm trying to show y'all without the light being on there. Okay, there you go, there you go. But this is so nice and suited. Honestly, they gave us this. I got my size in a size large. Okay, but it's a t-shirt. I'm not gonna open it. Then they gave us these Vans. Like, I have socks on, so we have like an hour and a half before we go to dinner or whatever the case may be. I'll see you guys when we get back to our dorms and we get a chance to rest. Might make a TikTok on the first day, whatever. You know, so I'll see you guys then.
Yeah, what do you?
Okay, what's up, you guys? As y'all know that this is day 2. After we get through doing the horseback riding or fishing, today my group is gonna be doing fishing. After we get through doing the fishing, we're gonna go to dinner. After dinner, we're gonna go do the drumming circle where we play on these Congo drums. All these have all these instruments and stuff. It's gonna be fun. After the drumming circle, we're gonna go back to our dorms and we gonna chill out.
That cart gonna go on the water.
Okay, you guys, today was day 3. Alyssa, say hello to my vlog.
Hey.
Ariana. Hi. Okay, so today was day 3, and this morning we woke up around 6. Our alarms went off like crazy. Multiple alarms except for her alarm. But today we went, we got there at the library, and we did yoga for about, what, an hour or so. It was fun, relaxing. I didn't realize how tense I was, so that was cool. I found out and became a little bit more open-minded about that. So I get a chance to realize and experience new things because I never did yoga before. Yesterday was my first day of yoga. Today was my second day of yoga, so that was fun. So yeah, how did y'all feel about the yoga?
It was good. I was sleepy.
Okay, it was cool. Say hey to our vlog.
Yoga was amazing. You're missing it. Whoever we're talking to, you're missing it.
Missing it. Okay, y'all, we're back in the dorms. Finna go and get ready and prepped and stuff for lunch. What you broke it, bro. She just broke it. All right, y'all, we back in the dorm. Y'all see I'm glowing because that yoga session? For real. That really helped me. I ain't gonna lie. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all probably the next event or whatever we do. We're gonna head to breakfast and then we're gonna just chill for see what we're gonna do, see what our workshop is. Yeah, I'm ready, y'all. I don't know. Last night I was kind of sad, but
now you won't let go.
He said he wanted to spray paint it, but now we can't.
Watch.
okay, y'all. So today is day 4, and today we are visiting the Mississippi Civil Rights Museum, and we are already here. Say hey, Alyssa. We were on the bus. Out here. Cause I look. It's a video, so right now we're finna get ready to take our picture, y'all. So say hey to my vlog.
If I become a real man, I want to grow up and get married. I want to have kids. And Lord, if I have kids, I'd be damned if my kids is going to
Nobody won none, right? I did.
Make it nice and lucky just in case the female gets pregnant, right? It's all about pregnancy.
The orange one.
The Alchemist.
Maybe read it.
Got it? So you don't you all embarrass me when he says, so you got The Alchemist. What'd you think?
Okay, you guys, so today is the last very last day. And right now we're on the bus heading back to our airport, our national airport, so that we can load into our rental cars. So right now, as you can see, I hope you can see, but we are officially leaving Piney Woods. And there goes this, the guardian are gonna cry, y'all. And everybody else is back there on the bus. Everybody. So, yeah, we're leaving. We are officially leaving Piney Woods, y'all. Say bye to the Piney Woods. No, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be sad when we leave. I had a lot of fun. Like, we did yoga, we did African dancing. We had Miss Chambers come and speak to us about sexual reproduction and women health, and she was a gynecologist, so we got a chance to meet her. I'm gonna miss all these people, all these crazy people, and hopefully we stay connected in the near future. So the rest of the video is really just gonna be up and out. See you again.
I thought that light part was a bad song.
I'm gonna wrap this part.
I can't rap right now. I said wrong part. Sing it. Sing. Oh.
When y'all pass me, hug me. I'm gonna give you a hug. Girl, I'm gonna see you for like 4 hours. I said, yeah. When they see me hug me. Yeah, I know I just hugged you. Bye, y'all.
With the little dance to dance.
Come on, Willie. You can get a hug too. Bye, Willie. Bye, Willie. I know y'all playing sex. You not gonna give me a hug? This is so emotional.
Bye, y'all.
I don't know.